this video we're going to look at SuperIchi indicator from Lux Algo, right? So we want to see how do we set it up and how do we take the trades. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is we need to search for a SuperIchi. Okay, search for that and then go to settings. Okay, let's go to inputs. Don't change anything here, let's keep it default. Okay, now go to the styles. If you don't want this plot background, you just take it off. Okay, if you think it's confusing, just take it off. Okay, so now we want to change this to white and increase the size. Okay, so the white is basically this points where you can see the reversals. Okay, you see the reversal. So now next indicator is basically TRAMA, T-R-A-M-A. Okay, this is the moving average, right, which is also by Lux Algo. So what you want to do is, see, for example here, right, you want to only take the trade to the downside when the candle is below this yellow line, right? Just take the trade. So here it's a bullish trade, right? You don't take the trade here. You wait for the candle to cross. Okay. Same thing here. Don't take the bearish trade till it crosses this one. Okay. So here you can see the bearish signal, and you can take the trade to the downside. Okay. So same thing here. Whenever you see a indication to buy, you just take the trade to the downside from that point on. Okay. So that's how this can filter your basically trade. So here you can see you see a buy signal, which is this blue line is above the red line. So now let's change that also. Okay, let's go ahead. So I want to change it to green and then change this thickness to this one. Okay, so now change this to red, change this thickness to this one. Okay, so now you can see when a green line is up, right, above the red line, and then it's above the yellow line, so you can just take the trade to the upside. Okay, okay, so this is how you have to basically use the SuperIchi and also the TRAMA, right, TRAMA indicator, for you to take the trade to the downside or upside. Okay, so let's look at some other stocks also. Okay, let's look at. Okay, now let's look at QQQ. So you can see here, you can see a sell signal here, right? You can see a buy signal here, but don't take the buy signal because it's under the yellow line. Take the sell signal. Okay, if you want to change this input, right? So here input is 99. Let's say you want to make it 200. Okay. So now you can see that whenever it crosses 200, take the trade to the downside. Okay, crosses the downside, take the trade to the downside. Okay. So here the green is below the red line, and then it's crossing the yellow line. So wait for the yellow line to cross. Okay. So if you want to take it faster, let's say go to 30 minutes, right? So you can see a sell signal here, but you want to wait till it crosses the yellow line. Okay. So but if you don't want, let's say you want to make it 21, right? For lower time frame, you want to make it lower moving average, right? 21. So you can see that. So yellow line, you can just take the trade to the upside. Then here yellow line is below, you can just take it to downside. Okay, so this is how you want to use SuperIchi and also TRAMA indicator to make better trades. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.